It's just crazy. A human being. I don't know if you say, yeah, man, quite non didn't conform, mammy, no papa, now he's justified. And who their own patch of crowd, your coda, will be tomorrow, koda. But then you come to another level where you say, yeah, ma, can I justify Tendidiano and a President Kupoye say, and Obi, now Obi, I had your fatina, Kodi, you be at what has that got to do with just President Kupo? How does that justify the fact that Sahaja Fatim Pone and Pampo say, Wakako did you be at and what
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagan and Sem TV so. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Dan, if Mr. President. Maybe whom be from Mr. President, I major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section, I major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President, I major also, sir. Kwayedi or baby agenda MPP. So the Munim your opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join on the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the upper by Mbia so selkebi. Na my kan yi you were John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ebu die. Ya me ni amene am fa the Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo mi amade na sase bebe fie. Na once again me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyo sem nye mprint ne amanyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabity Manful in him, your mouth to me, say, Fabe, it is all your software, or your ordinary Ghanaian, or your educationist, or your medical doctor, or your one once I have more opportunity to brother several public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity.
It's just crazy. A human being. I don't know if you say, yeah, man, quite non didn't conform, mammy, no papa, now he's justified. And who their own patch of crowd, your coda, will be tomorrow, koda. But then you come to another level where you say, yeah, ma, can I justify Tendidiano and a President Kupoye say, and Obi, now Obi, I had your fatina, Kodi, you be at what has that got to do with just President Kupo? How does that justify the fact that Sahaja Fatim Pone and Pampo say, Wakako did you be at and when for President Kupo was saying, Haja Fati nebush any President Kupo. Haja Fati, never President Kufuana. There's no correlation. But even say Obi Kwako did you be at said the Obi a one answer, including President Mama, said the President Mama and one answer, and Kobi the President Rollins at them, and can yet name as a neto, Kimasi. Na ya santua ekenye omo na nkomo krombeka say they are justified. Say also mbe responding to nipa no, but as matured as decent what the President Rollins who ye na akredo who ye hwe ye omo ye very matured, very decent, very classy, very polished. Omo ni ebie no, they would never take a camera, put the camera up and insult Obi because Obi abeka say tia o mama and Obi abeka say tia o papa. And as an on, no wonder said as an actor should post a dear man, vice president, a parliament. Yeah, Juma can say a dear man because our class or a medical doctor, not Jimu Daho. And you what? Yeah, I mean, say you could share the Abranti also there, but I mean, look at how could you share me as a one year into our achievement. Oh, we are say 2 1, what are you brony? 2, oh, they child cannot be did attempt. That is the only achievement in life. That is your only achievement in life. It's just sad. To sit there, it's cringe. It's cringe. To sit there and see Onipa Daseni just consistently attacking a man, CI the boss, yeah, they are going on and there, Abedi Aja Fatio. Why? And NDC, you are sitting there, allowing it. You have some very responsible women in your government. And then I'm also so way so. Sebe, politics, yeah, we grow, we mature. And Ghana politics will be there and over the years. We've matured and we've grown. We've matured and we've grown. And to say I'm actually a grower. This is no time. I was here small be so many do be at all their own suman for granted. My argument is that Nipan is an agent of NDC. Because agents of NDC in Chester or your party member, agents of NDC Chester, by your conduct, What I say, what Ginny Pana Tunsa will endorse it because number one, you've not dissociated yourself. Number two, you've never condemned it. Number three, you've never said Nipa where you Kasa Mayo. And this person, the relationship between you and that person. Any on one military tabis or more, social media moody at them. Because what did even that day, Captain Smart Kasa or Kasa Emperor President Kufocho, Captain Smart was so civil. Me the way me name Captain Smart for years. For the first time, Captain Smart bred a voice I say. Captain Smart I mean no, he will not do that for anybody. But on one, I'm sure that he anticipated that Brad will be the atom. Captain Smart said that lower and the voice, not wait the Pacho. Now what the one idea. And then he proceeded to give you evidence. Oh, say, President Kufuor way, and they completed it. It just to arrogantly and being the typical bully and ignorant person, you know. Person of to say when the person has been found out, expose you. They all can't against President Kufuor no correct. They all didn't attempt is insensitive, it's unconscionable that will be a wheelchair at his age. Now that Lumba 62 no we. Now the President Kufuor 80 plus not in come no or wheelchair man. Now one
yeah studio ha. Ya be church in sing mama Ghana for who say oh farmers for the adwuma ye ne de so nipa o hwe omo a omo owe adwuma mkra na bu akrobu a wa ye adwuma on tin ko live obu a me say steady leave ko benya kra no nya because the numbers this
why you overwhelmed
the numbers this so and as you see because of family nearby in the adwuma no I am more one of those days no mo say na your dispensary oba na yama we draw but see ano because family na quite more patient oriented in the scope no widen osha international standards kra na ekwechi do won say pharmacists bin say obeko ayaresabia no world ho kra no won o down payment no farmers na ba on chain obe church and draw that so obe
bunch of human beings
exactly
now Joyce Bawa Kroya she equally participated in the Air Ghana saga.
Okay.
Drama, they are clueless about their own governance.
Okay. So the thing is, if unima dear koso abemu, at least you are the presidency, yes, senior presidential staffer. And BBC cry, you first of all need to cross check. And because even some of us cry any position biano, some information biana obey me their call out, you need to be very, very sure about that so that you can mount a very solid defense for whatever you say. But these are people omodi and say pay as you go. The focus is not about go and churning out credible information. No, omodi and say let's always bring out information to entertain our base. And I don't know if they are that achievement bankruptcy, and I believe they have some achievement bankruptcy because only achievement bankruptcy. Why is it say you can't share what your government has been able to do for the past 2 years? Whatever you are doing is said, and I will share. Yesterday, I dealt with this particular issue. Say, you can't come and tell us, say, Tamale Yendi Road, free abemo. Now it was almost close to 80% completion. So when we say the Adam is about 20%. You can't do 20% and come and tell us that we should praise John Mahama and we should praise Big Push for the 20%. And I say why you cry? You can't come and tell us we should praise Big Push and praise John Mahama. And if that's the case, then we can equally say that we should praise Nanado for Terminal 3 and KJT Market. If that's the way, because Akufo in the complete Terminal 3. Akufo in the complete KJT Market. And the records are there. But no, we are not achievement. We are not bankrupt when it comes to achievement. There are so many things about media. So we don't need to come and steal someone's project or try our possible best to say oh we near by hook or crook fancy and I have found go about on a base who say BB. We serious person and about say such a road within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. Who is serious individual or gang? And Obeka said within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. But yes, they know their audience. They know the people that they are dealing with. The people who
choose Nkukwankiti over digitalization. People who choose Kenke and fish over digitalization there. Say Anna Abinobe will manage you. Say Anna the government will think about you. Say Anna Abinobe will say, oh, yeah, because you don't think, you don't research, you don't look for facts. Because someone got something from Pomonshire and mo base on 6 million. So anytime that they feel like bringing set things out, they should know that we the 4 million are there to expose their hypocrisy. We are there to expose their lies and their deception. The Nipa Crow, yes, are supposed to not delete. So the thing Okoshe Joyce Muktari, it is still there. The share no ho, but content in ho because any Crow no share on Paco.
And I say, I'm a woody for my mom, Miss Canoma to make about Coco, meaning baby or Virginia, which I say, I've been Washington, D.C., Washington State. The mama call and second couldn't simple no be jubilate. You are more and this phone Kwasiapanin to no mushroom. Obey disease. Also, meaning to me, which I may more be a cocono.
Well, plenty to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me, Jamaican, say, as someone or can, and just say, and your mabo and through.
But the
Jawa can want it, or my panic can say, was it a put was it a penny say, was it pure water, a costro. And I mean, because inflation above for ma, and can the rate at what things will increase, you know. The empanifono minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. It has also done a trainer, Ebianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more say the rate at which things will be increasing on a better form. What I say?
Inflation
on my Mrs. Sana or more. Yahweh, dear Mimi or my car, Mimi Tessie, and a 2 of Madame Maker. Say, I buying, say what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate. 16 advance the above or the above 14 me boy me come catch say abembi or maybe opeti under single digit piano or more base rate so e ko single digit me boy na say about me can say petrol above for me abano there he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost
what yes about to me so who na ko fa wa there what you say and I know asema na ka say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from
anya aba no de
oh unti dem making me say so what dey buy be all spoke against say I was say ono muhia ama ono muhia but nanka we maye no dwadifo no kyerem so omokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na omokan yes partisan kanyama bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa maye no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana abanu create another environment but say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what I say the pastor is asking say he's also asking a legitimate idea adentina sa niam we nyina bi no aban na ye ne de wi na say bontenso for no nyen de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5 yes now so and never not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year, and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with F00lish. as propaganda secretary, mention people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwasiapanin, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?